we go. All right. Let's have some fun. It's starting to get hot.
Yeah, it is.
These little Miatas that you got behind you have slicks. They're quick.
He's got slicks?
Yeah. They'll be fast in the corners if it's well driven. Yeah, I wouldn't mind just letting them check out. Should be really fast if it's well driven. They have sequential transmissions. Fast for a Miata, isn't it?
Yeah. I like the way the brakes are on a BMW.
Good.
Because they are longer, there's more feel to it.
Yeah, but it feels good, right? It's stiff. Even though it travels, it still feels good.
Yep.
Good. All right, let's work on 14 when we get there. I'll put my hands up and kind of do my... It's hard to see what I was talking about on the satellite image here, but it's about right here. See, it's a little earlier than you think, but you use the compression to hold the car.
Okay.
One nice smooth application of the brakes there. Turn that head. Track should feel good. Big brakes. Smooth release. There you go. Remember, we got a camera on your feet, so it's pressure's on to get that footwork just right. Remember to go up to fourth right here. See how you do it when the car's not loaded?
Yep.
When you got big power like this, you got to be respectful to those types of things. Go ahead and get there. All the road, go, 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 go. Looking good. There we go. I could tell MDM's coming in a little bit right there.
Yeah, just a little.
That Honda is fast. Squeezing brakes and releasing. Beautiful. You do this well, turn that head. Remember, smooth on the shifter. Make sure he knows you're there. He doesn't. Eyes up, eyes up. Go, 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 go.
Come on, dude.
Remember, left side mirror is where he can see you. He can't see you where you are on the right. Make sure he sees you. Hello. Dipping the brakes. Eyes on the trees. Run close. Close. Oh, wow. Thank you. Squeezing that brake and slow, long release. Beautiful. Little bit of gas. Turn that head. Get there, get there, get there. All the road. Good job. Turn that head. Yeah, brakes feel good. Watch out, watch out. That was a moment.
It sure was.
Worst possible point by spot on the whole track, but that'll do it. Alright, let's settle in. Big brakes. Yeah. This thing will stop now.
Yes, it will. I can get on the throttle quicker, can't I?
A little bit. Especially with that stability control helping out. Remember, big brake and then release here. Brakes and then coming off, coming off, coming off. Good speed. Good. Turn that head under the bridge with the eyes. Eyes all the way up the track.
There's stability.
Yep. Felt it?
Not too bad.
Patient here. Now lift and wait. And there we go. That's feeling good. brake here. I'm bleeding off, Looking for the trees, edge of the trees on the gas. Opening up the hands and turn. There we go, all the road. Keep the hands in it, yep, and squeezing brakes. Beautiful, turn that head. That was a good cadence right there. We can carry a little more speed.
I got you, yeah.
Patient, and go, go, go. Good. Decompress. All right, eyes through the turn here early, squeezing brake. Looking through the turn. Squeezing brake. See what I mean?
Yeah,
By getting way too late out there. Yep.
Yep, I got you.
Next lap. Get it next lap. Got to get really close to that apex on the right with a lot of horsepower like this. Got to be disciplined there. Big brakes up here. And big brakes. And start releasing.
Too much.
That's all right. We can work from that.
Track's getting slick. Our tires are getting slicky.
Yep. Heavy car, small tire. That's what it feels like in a Formula 1 car.
Does it?
A little bit, yeah, 1,000 horsepower, right? Even with that big tire. And the battery's instant torque, so they can roast the tire. This was good last time. It's all about patience. Keeping the speed on the entry and a little bit off the throttle. And be patient. Open up those hands, patient, good speed. That's about where you want to be right there. Don't add too much speed to that. A little bit of brakes, get to the apex. Be patient here and more brakes. Eyes on the edge of the trees.
Yeah,
And about right there. Get in tight on the curb, a little bit of gas, That feels good on the brakes. Turn that head, looking down for it to turn into 16, just past the cone or right at the cone. Turn, get there. Good job. Good rhythm. Be patient on your turn in here. Last lap was a little quick and turning in. Go, go, go. And start turning. Now. Bend it in. There we go. Got into the groove there. Patient, look for the apex. It's right there. Too wide. Next lap, we're going to be a little more patient on the throttle there.
okay.
Deep breath for me. Let's go get David again. Big brakes. Turn that head. Right up against the curb. Patient. Open up the hands. She's a big girl, so she's going to start moving around when the tires are hot.
Yeah, I can tell.
We probably got the tire pressures a little high now, too. Big brakes. And releasing. Good speed. Turn that head. Feel that front end push a little right there. Good. Just like last lap right here. Patient. Turn. Wait. A little bit of gas. Good. That's good. That is good. Keep doing that. Squeeze and brake. Turn on the head. A little bit of brake here. Edge of the trees. On the gas. Just like last time, let the hill catch you down there. Turn in. All the curve. A little more gas. And on the brakes. Turning in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we just need a little more brake pressure there.
Okay.
A little more brake pressure next lap. That was perfect. Just didn't quite brake hard enough.
Okay.
Looking good. And squeezing those brakes. Looking for the apex. Back on the gas. Just be patient on the throttle. Remember, turn in a little sooner. Get on that curve. Yep, almost. Looking for the apex. Be patient. Off the gas. Let it turn.
Okay.
There you go. Now on the gas. All the road. Eyes on the tower. You're still in fourth.
Yeah.
I like that.
I just thought about it.
Yep, I like that. Big brakes. All the road. Turn that head and coming off. Patient. We're going to have to start managing the tire on the exit. Yep. Good precision. Planning the pass. Squeezing brakes. And releasing all the road.
I'd lose it. I love the brake pedal.
Oh yeah, feels good. Make sure he sees you. Patient. go, go. Good. The weight transfer feels good there. Squeezing some brakes. Turning in. Dab down the hill. Eyes on the trees. Edge of the trees. You ready for the turn in and turn. And back on the gas, back on the gas. That was good. And coming off the brake, a little wide. Turn that head, go, 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 go. Turn the head to the left. At the apex with the eyes. Exit, go. Good. Waving yellow and one. Go ahead and check up a little maybe.
Let's see.
Go, 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 all good. Is that Daniel?
Yeah.
It was?
Yeah.
Off the gas, let it turn, back on the gas. You gotta use that rotation.
Okay, of the car.
Yep, dance with the car. Remember, use that gas and that brake pedal to do what you need them to do. Big brakes. That gas pedal's a tool just like the brakes to turn. Good. You can use the gas to turn on the exit just like that. See how that little bit of early throttle turned the rear? Little oversteer, but it's okay. And squeezing brakes and releasing, looking through the turn. Big brakes. There you go. Turn that head. Patient. And we're going. Nice.
I'm trying to rush that.
A little bit. Just deep breath there. A little slower on the upshift too. The clutch is getting a little bit of a workout when you shift into fourth. Squeezing brakes, turn in the head. A little early down to the apex there. That's all right. And turn. Let the hill catch you. Good. Hold that with his hands. Beautiful. And on the brakes. A little too wide again. That was better. That was better. That was better. Turn that head. Eyes down the end of the straight. All the road. Beautiful. Mustang's quick.
Yeah, he is. Loud too.
Yeah. He should be a lot faster with that kind of arrow. Alright, feeding in early here. See, he's already too wide. You want to stay nice and tidy. And then off the gas to let the car turn, and now you're back on it. You're just committing back the throttle a little too soon. And that's why the car won't turn down to the apex there. All the way on the exit. Good upshift. Squeezing brakes, looking through the turn, coming off, roll speed. Beautiful. Turn that head. All the road on the exit. I think next time we might want to try stability control off. I can't tell how much it's coming in.
It's coming in a lot.
You want to turn it off?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll hold it off for you. Okay, you're off on stability control.
Okay. Oh, dude.
Alright, man. You do you, boo-boo. You're going to have to counter steer now when the car slides, just like you've been doing, but it'll actually slide on the brakes. Down to the apex.
I'm not braking hard enough. That's the end right there.
Just needs a little bit more. All the road. And squeezing brakes. Turning that head. Back on the gas. Remember, turn in early. Use that little curve right there almost. A little bit of gas. And then off the gas, let it get to the apex. Now go, go, go. See how it turns when you come off the gas?
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to use that. We'll work on rolling more speed through two, and then you don't have to do that as much. Big brakes. Turn that head. That's fun. Squeeze and brake. And slow the cadence down here. No rush. Turn that head, patient. Go early on the gas. It's all right.
Gotcha.
Not too bad. Good. Patient on the gas. Go to brakes. Get to the apex. Good. Edge of the trees. And turn. Let the hill catch you back on the gas. Dipping brakes. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and coming off. There we go. Almost. That's close.
Really there.
Turn that head. On the gas. There we go. All the road. Eyes down the road. There it is. Good flow. Stay in that rhythm. Squeezing brakes. And coming off, coming off, coming off. All right, man.
Son of a... Shit. I saw him. I couldn't turn. He dove right at the last minute.
Good awareness. Trans Am 2 car. Hey, that's why you're a race car driver.
Yes, sir, I am. Gonna get better, too.
Turning that head. Patient. There we go. Yep. Easy upshift. There we go. Yeah, you don't want to hear that throttle when you're in the middle of the shift there. This guy could be going about 20 miles an hour faster right there in that car.
Yeah, I couldn't do it on the accelerator too long.
Yeah, on the shift, just a little slower. It's still a stock clutch, so you're going to have to give it a second. Doesn't feel like it's slipping though, does it? Okay. Let's get back into the rhythm here. Squeezing brakes. Dip on that brake pedal, turn that head. And turn. There we go. Turn in maybe just a little tiny too soon. Now we're getting there. We're dialing it in. Get to the apex. Don't let him mess you up. Eyes up the road. Patient. All the track. All right. Good job. All right, cool those brakes off. They're gonna need it. See if you can do the end lap without using the brakes.
Okay.
That's always a challenge. Whew.
Thank you. You're the man.
Feel good?
Yeah, feeling better.
Nice work.
My car control is better. I mean, I just been relaxing much more.
Yep. Oh yeah. Let's talk through 14 on the end on the end lap here. I'd keep the pace up a little bit. Keep the airflow over the brakes. Just try not to use them. Just chuck it in there. No brakes. Off the brakes. Off the brakes. There you go. See how little brakes you really need?
Yeah.
Doesn't need much. With a big heavy car like this, it pays dividends to do your cool down laps to where you can really get airflow over the brake rotors. Yeah, there you go. No brakes.
No brakes?
Just turn the wheel. Off the brakes. Turn it. It teaches you how much how much turning the wheel slows the car down. And watch, if you come off the gas here, watch how much you'll slow down going up this hill.
Yeah.
Look, when you turn that wheel, I mean, it kills 5 miles an hour like that.
Yeah.
That's a good thing to remember as you're thinking about how to manipulate the car in the corner, is that it's scrubbed speed when you turn the steering wheel. All right, let's talk through the setup to 14 here. So your turn in is about at the right place, but you're turning in while you're still on the gas pedal, which you've been able to do in the Cayman, but this car needs you to help it turn. So you want to come off the gas a little and turn
and then
and back to gas.
Okay.
Because when you come off the gas and turn, it's going to free the car up and it's going to rotate. But if you don't go back to the gas pedal, it might over-rotate.
Okay.